Yo, I am loving this black girl magic all over this video right now. I think everyone has been a black girl, and it's like I'm loving it. Injected, bro. Injected. Black woman. Injected. Yo, 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 what's good, what's good, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Guys, we just hit 2K. Look us Vince, we hit 2K, man. I appreciate every one of you that has been here right from the get-go, man. Right from the main channel to this one. I still remember when I made the very like scary leap of creating a new channel and starting from scratch basically. And I appreciate everyone that has transitioned with me, and now that I'm tired with like 2 different channels, trying to create different streams of content, and it's really stretched your boy thin. I won't lie, man. It's really stretched me trying to like manage both channels, and but at the end of the day, man, for something that takes so much from you and gives very little, like I really appreciate little like tiny wins and milestones like this. So I definitely cannot thank you guys enough for still tuning in and looking forward to my videos and requesting videos, man. It means a lot. So yeah, all that sappy stuff away, man. Let's get into this review today. Burna Boy is out here with yet another video, bro. Like I feel like Twice as Tall has been the most like, it might as well release a video album at this point. Like it might as well release a video album. How many songs I have an album? Like from Monsters You Made, from like Way Too Big, Real Life. Which one again? Bro, there's everything has a video now. I'm not complaining, bro. We love the visuals. 23 is one of those songs that was highly requested. If not, like it might be many people's favorite. Like I feel like it is a lot of people's favorites. I'm still hoping to see Bank on it. I'm still hoping to see maybe Time Flies. Maybe we could get Time Flies. But I can't complain if none of those videos come, because Burna has given so much content for the past couple months, man. It's crazy. And this is just after winning a Grammy, man. This is just after winning a Grammy. Such a huge win, such a huge moment, and such a like it's so apt, because this particular song is supposed to tie into self-confidence, man. It's supposed to let you feel like you're the you're the shit, you know, like you're the guy, you're the one that is going to dominate whatever field you're in. And it's pulling a lot of that energy from Jordan, from that Last Dance documentary on Netflix, and you could just definitely sense that he was inspired from that documentary, and then put down pen and recorded a song, and it came out to be 23, man. It's a beautiful record. I'm looking forward to this video, man. Without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, 23. Let's run this up. That was Wembley. I think, was it 2019 when he sold out Wembley? Crazy win for him. Okay, Sleeping Giants. Let's go. Those keys, bro. You can't go wrong with those keys. Yes. Hey. So when the drop comes, hey. Injected, bro. Injected. Yes. Oma. Now, for those of you that might not know Yoruba, he's basically saying like, this music is making me feel like Jordan, and the things I've seen in this life, like it's a lot. I've experienced so much, and it's overwhelming that I don't even know where to start. Like he has experienced so much in his life, and he's talking about the hardships that has come in his life, and it's still being able to push forward. It's inspiring, man. It's inspiring. Let's go. Ayekpo, go. Let's go. Yes. Oh shit, this is that Pepsi ad placement. I see you. Get your coins, my guy. Get your coins. Let's go. Boy, we can barely see you. Like, get in the lights now. What's this? Yes. That's it's showing different. I was that's kind of one thing I was hoping to see in this video is like to see different walks of life trying to like relate to that same Michael Jordan energy, you know, and also would like to see some of those basketball references too. Like he's giving us those visuals that are so apt for the song, man.
Don't deserve 'em. Defend myself, me not fear no one.
Me not fear no one. Hey.
Give me plenty money, give me plenty money.
Yo, this beat is slapping, man. What is my business?
Music make me feel happy, Jordan. Understand what they say,
Those keys, man. I'm sorry. Those keys are electric. They're getting, bro. We're getting you there. And by the way, guys, mind you, Burna Boy videos at least tend to get blocked. Okay, I know I'm still gonna have to chop this down, but bear with your boy as I'm making all these pauses. Okay. Ooh, why does this remind me of sorry guys. Why does this remind me of Drake's Over? You know Drake Over? Like he had a shot like this. He had a scene like this where he was on the edge of a bed and they were projecting some of his images, like say like a concert show. It's exactly that scene, man. You guys remember the scene I'm talking about? It's like a Drake Over, you know, is over video. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, this shit is inspiring, man. Nah. I think we need to like understand what he's saying in this verse. Let's try and understand what he's saying in this verse. Like we get distracted a lot with the visuals and what's going on and the flow of the song, but let's actually deep what he's saying. They'll be talking what they cannot prove. They'll be saying things. They'll be saying things about your boy, but they can't prove it. My arrival will mess up the cycle. Yo, he's being so invasive, and that's the energy that the Giants walks in and stomps on, you know, like, man, this guy. Yo, I love this. They have the Twice as Tall cover, like basically the imprint of him stomping as a giant. And we're just talking about that, being a giant, being invasive. Look, the imagery, man, I love it. I just love it. Yo, I am loving this black girl magic all over this video right now. I think everyone has been a black girl, and it's like I'm loving it. Injected, bro. Injected. Black woman. Injected. Music make me feel like the Jordan. Yo. They had to blur whatever is on the hoodie, man. Time will tell. Don't trust anybody. Yes. Nobody will tell him he doesn't deserve what he's winning right now. Nobody's telling him that. I'm gingered, man. I'm fired up. He's so inspiring, and it's just the truth. It's just the truth. This guy is one of the most inspiring artists that we've seen in the recent times, man. And so much self-confidence is poured into this, and he's just letting you know. This honestly ties into the entire narrative that Burna Boy has been on ever since African Giants, ever since that Coachella moment. I feel like that Coachella moment really gingered him, and he took that storyline and ran with it. I love it, man. We lost love to see it. This beat be knocking. Hey, let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Are you kidding me, bro?
Grammy award
Bro. Mad, mad. Inspiring stuff, man. That was so inspiring, man. Yo, Burna, man. Like, trust. Like, I just love it. I just love the message. I love the narrative that he's coming with. I love the principles he represents, man. Amongst all odds, man, go for what you want. The amount of people that might say no to you, the amount of gatekeepers that might be in your way, the amount of doubters around you, man, just go for what you want. Have that Jordan take it personal, take it personal. Have that Jordan mentality and run with it. Speaking of Jordan, I would have loved to see some actual visuals of Michael Jordan to like get that message in, because just the visual of seeing actual bald head Michael Jordan in the actual shot. Like, bro, speaking of the greatest basketball player of all time, sorry LeBron fans, but seriously, like, having his visuals, having clips of him doing his thing and dominating would have been great. I feel like we'd have gingered the video even more. But I'm not complaining. It still did its job. The song is calm. The video wasn't that rowdy, wasn't too crazy, but it definitely sent the message. And again, like I said, the black girl representation on this one was very, very beautiful to witness. Yeah, there's not much to take out from this album other than take out from this song and video other than what I've said. Like, again, ties into the entire narrative he has been on. And this is just wholesome content at this point. And I'm curious what you guys would think about this one. Did you think it was necessary? Do you think it was a good time to have a video after an album, after a Grammy win? Definitely, I thought it was good timing, man. But yeah, for sure, if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, check out the other content. Guys, I've been slacking on my album reviews, man. And because I'm trying to get a little things and pieces here, so that's why I've been slowing down on the album reviews. So Ruga is coming up. I've seen everyone push for the Ruga EP. I am coming with that one. Trust me, man. I still haven't heard it, so it's gonna be fresh in my mind. And Tenny as well, I haven't heard. But Rikasani, I have heard. I have penned down some notes. Again, I'm waiting for equipment. I'm waiting for the right time to do it, the right process to do it. So if it's gonna take a long time, and honestly, I would still love that you guys will watch it. I know the interest might have died down, but please hit the notification bell, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I roll out these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for everyone that subscribed. Appreciate it, and definitely catch you guys on the next one. See you guys. Lucas Benz out.